baby girl. Who is this Maya? Where is our Maya? The kitchen mouse. I'm the kitchen mouse. Boop. 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 I'm gonna wake up first, don't you? You wanna smile, maybe. Maybe. Oh, gotta work for it. We gotta work for it. Gonna laugh at daddy.
Look at her hand.
Hey, hands up. Hands up.
Staring at you like, what is going on?
You don't know where you are, do you? You don't know where you are. You fell asleep in the car, and now you're in the middle of the woods.
That's a heck of a deal. That's a
crazy.
heck of a deal. Yes, it is. Uh-huh. Yes, I see a smile. I see it coming. I see it coming.
Did Did
Hello! Nandito nga pala kami sa park, malapit sa tinitirahan namin. In-invite ako ng aking mga in-laws na maglakad-lakad. Sulitin ang magandang araw. Kasi hindi siya malamig. Malapit na kasi ang spring. Actually, parang spring na nga. Kasi hindi na nag-snow at melted na yung snow sa ground. First time namin makapunta dito ni Arya. Shinare sa akin ng nanay ni Rose na si Rose daw nakapunta dito nung maliit pa siya. I think elementary school. So, hindi siya nakakapunta dito for many years na. At, nga pala, I am 4-month postpartum. So, I feel like whenever I go out, I feel like nare-rejuvenate yung aking self. Char. Basta, nakakatulong siya sa aking healing pag nakakalabas-labas, ganun, nakakalanghap ng sariwang hangin. Iba yung feeling. At dumaan na kami dito sa Culver's pagkatapos namin maglakad-lakad. At yung aking in-order ay 2 fish fillet at saka yung sides na potato and then broccoli. Ito palagi yung pinapa-order ko kay Rose whenever kakain kami sa Culver's. Kasi masarap siya, guys. Anyway, mga mari, kain tayo.